Hello, PV Charts here again. Today we have another update on our trading. Previously, I made 40% gain previously I made 40% gain trading yen. That didn't turn out too well though because yen actually just came down after that and I didn't sell. So that's a good lesson learned. Let's start let's start off with a update on BTC. The BTC target for 20,000, 24,000 is still intact at the moment. But then if you look at the chart, I have concerns with all these spikes. Usually you just spike up and then spike down, spike up, spike down, spike up, spike down. It doesn't hold, the price doesn't hold steady for a long time. You see, and then it goes down and spike up again. So this looks like a small spike, but then let's see. 14,000 to 9,000. That's 35%. So even though this looks really small, but then it's really a big plunge. And then you can see from here, 10,000 or 10,000 to almost 4,000, less than 4,000. So volatility is in the gene, in the DNA of Bitcoin. So people were saying it's a store of value, and then I really don't know. But then one thing for sure, volatility is a trader's dream. So what we can do is we try to make the best out of it. So what's my next trade? I actually went all in Iota. Some people may hate Iota. Okay, let's talk about yen finance. Yeah, I bought on the way up, which is good, and then it come crashing down. Oh, looking at yen, I bought on the way up, and then it came crashing down, and I sold somewhere halfway, so I still make about 10% profit in BTC terms. And now the chart isn't really clear, so this looked like one wave up and another wave, but then this doesn't seem like a bounce to me. So I'm out of yen finance and I went into Iota. Iota is something that not many people will know, and some people will say it's a shit coin, and and I'm not getting into the technicals here, or I'm not getting into the technology here because I'm not the best person to talk about it. But I've been holding IOTA for quite some time, and then after that I sold off to buy yen, and then now I'm back into again. Not sure if I'll hodl this time. Looking at the weekly chart, we are right over here, which is really low, so the potential upside is a lot. Let's count. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros is 1, 2, 3. So it's like 20x if it goes really up to this level. Or let's say if it goes up to this level is 10x. Of no, sorry, it's about 5x, which is really good. So there's a chance. And if people are not buying it, it's a good time to go in because it's going to be really cheap. And then when the FOMO sets in, it will really moon, and then it's time to sell. So that's the plan. So let's look at the hourly chart. So let's zoom into the daily chart. I bought rather high, which is around this level. And then it actually went up above this previous low point, and then now it's above this next lowest point. Looking good so far. What I would really like to see is that it can pass this level because there are more points over here. 2K mark will be bullish, very bullish for IOTA. And let's say even if it's going to go back into this position, which is still within this channel here. Let's draw the resistance. So let's say if it's still within this channel, but then it didn't break out, then we would have easily make a 50% gain in BTC terms, which is very good for me. So I'm all in IOTA as of now. So let's see how my portfolio is doing. We started off at 5,000, so doing a little bit not as good as that previously at 7,000. 7,500 I think was the maximum. Then yen finance dropped, so that was a little bit painful, but overall I'm still up 20%. So I'm still happy. And I'm still monitoring Ben and Solana. Let's take a quick look. And Ben is looking good so far. Maybe if you want to trade, we have to wait for 42,000 for a clear breakout, and then you can go up to maybe about 60, maybe let's see, around this level or this level. So 20% gain should be easy. And now next, let's look at Solana. Another one under my watch list. It's not doing Solana is not doing much so far, but then I think it's going to break out soon. But it's not exactly clear, so yeah, it's not exactly clear, so I don't think I wanna do anything about it right now. Maybe when it goes up beyond 13,000. It's not doing much. So it's good to wait. That's all for today. Thank you guys.